Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and install app called Johns Hopkins Antibiotic Guide. So first thing first, open App Store. Just click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then go to search right here. And in the search bar, typing Johns Hopkins Antibiotic Guide. And go search right here. Then after that you will find the app right here, so click on that, then click get, then install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The app is only 10.2 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.